Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Mr. Dan here. Uh, it's Monday. Anyway, Penny got this recipe that we're going to do this morning from one of her co-workers. I think she got it from Weight Watchers, so it's a pretty simple little thing. We're going to make some banana pancakes. So without further ado, let's get to it. It's supposed to be pretty quick, and it's 0 points. Okay, as you can see, I got my frying pan, my skillet. Got me some cooking spray. Got some cinnamon. Got some nutmeg. And I got me some vanilla extract. Here I've already mushed up one well-ripe banana. This is 2 beaten eggs. And this is what we start with right here. 1 banana, 2 eggs. That's 2 eggs, 1 banana. And I have some blueberries put off on the side over there. I'll get those in a minute. We're going to top them with those. All right, let's get to it. Okay, got the skillet heating up to a medium high. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour the egg into our bananas. Yeah, Penny laughed. I thought, hey, you got more egg in there than anything else. I said, that's like a banana omelet. She goes, no, it's pancakes. Okay, call it what you want. But anyway, we're going to check this out. Have to mix them all together. Like a little kid song, mix it all together and you shake it all. I don't know. I'm not good with those. Not now. Anyway. So we mix them up. And then once the thing gets hot enough, then we're going to spray some cooking spray in there. We're supposed to use, I think, 3 tablespoons per pancake, which I don't think they're going to be that big, but you have to treat them gently. That's what the thing said, treat them gently. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little pinch of nutmeg in there. There's your pinch to grow an inch. Then we have, it said 1/8 of a teaspoon, which I think I have one of those, of cinnamon. I don't want to overdo it. So we got 1/8. You see that? Mm-hmm. Now we're going to get 1/8 of the cinnamon here. Put that in there. And then it says a couple dashes of one-eighth cinnamon. And then a couple dashes of the vanilla extract, which is also 0 anyway. So you go up to 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, and it's 0, whatever. There you go, a couple dashes of that, huh? Now we're going to mix this up. I never, it's got to be, no matter what recipe you do, the cinnamon just always, I think it's like the lightest thing on the planet. It floats and it gets smeary everywhere, you know what I mean? Anyway, this so far smells pretty good. Just trying to get all the cinnamon I can get into this thing, but whatever. Okay, so let's check the pan. It's getting there. I'm going to swing you guys around to the pan, so hang on. Okay, we're going to add some cooking spray to our pan. And then I got me a small scooper. Move this closer. I don't want want to get too much mess on the counter. Got me a small scooper. It says put like 3 tablespoons in, and this is roughly 3 tablespoons of the liquid that we're going to put right over here. And then we're going to fill this up again. It says you're supposed to get 5 pancakes out of there. I don't know. Or banana cakes, whatever they are. Banana pancakes, Daniel. Yes, sir. And it's not supposed to take a couple seconds for each one. I can see why. This is pretty light, so. All right. So, evidently we still got quite a bit of batter left in there. Or scrambled eggs, whatever, mixed with bananas. Call it what you will. Smells good. I will be back in a couple seconds. Yeah, that's a trick flipping these. They're kind of light, but hey, it works. Like I said, I got some blueberries to put on top of here. We'll make it look nice anyway. But this is almost pancake time, so. And this is let me heat this plate up a little bit. Yeah, I heat the plates up a little bit in the microwave. Just to take the chill off of them. And it works. I don't want nobody getting burnt. Yeah, it works. Okay. So you see, they actually look like pancakes. All right, so I'm going to make the rest of this batch. I'll show you what they look like when I get done. Okay, so these are my last 2 in the pan. I haven't flipped them yet, but I got a total of 6 from that banana and the 2 eggs. So we'll be back and I'll show you what they are when they're done and what they taste like. Okay guys, there you have it. This is only 5. I got another one over here for the taste test table. So I'm taking back to my wife. She's working. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, in case you're wondering why I'm still here, the powers that be suggested I put the blueberries in the pancake. So that's what we're going to try now. You guys will get to see the first way and then this way. Hold on. Believe it or not, that's how them berries rolled right out of the scooper. So I didn't place them like that. That's how they came out. So we'll see what happens here. Hang on. As you can see, the berries don't want to stay too good, but I got an idea. Hold on. Okay, so you guys have been following me. If you've been watching my videos, here's what I'm going to try. Put me one of my little egg ring things in there. Now, you're not going to get as many pancakes this way, but I think that maybe if we get enough mixture in there that we can cover up some of the berries. I'm just moving that because now we're going to see. I don't want to fill that all the way up. It'll take forever to cook it. But I'm hoping that just half of that will hold those berries in place. Because see, when you flip them, everything goes crazy. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Blink. Okay, that's cooking a little bit longer than the other. Let me see if I can get this ring off without this stuff running everywhere. Hey, that looks pretty, huh? So we might find a winner here, huh? Yeah, well, that does look nice. So we're gonna try to flip this bad boy, because I think it's oh yeah, she's cooked on the underside. So and we flip. Had it down there a little too long, huh? Yep. But that came out nice, huh? Okay, so we see that one works. So now what we're gonna do is, let me see what this looks like here. A couple more seconds. I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna cook up the rest of these. I'll show you what they look like. Okay, guys, this is my last one. I like the last method better. You get the berries stay in there. They don't move really. So if I had to do this again, which I'm going to, I may not do another video on it, but I'm going to make it for Penny really likes these. They're really nice. They're light, they're airy. Again, no points. It's a Weight Watcher meal. So we'll see you at the taste test table. Okay, guys, there you have it. We're ready to go. See you at the table. Okay, this is Mr. Dan at the taste test table. Let me turn this light on so I can see what I'm ready to eat on. But the first method was this one. That's without the blueberries on the inside. Then we did another one where I put the berries in there, but they would roll out. So, and then I was directed to, how come we didn't put them on the inside? Huh. Very tasty. Easy to make. You got some bananas that are getting ready to turn. Don't throw them away. I know you can make banana bread, but this, one banana, 2 eggs, mixed together, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, a pinch of nutmeg, and a couple dashes of vanilla extract. And if you got berries, you know, it's delicious. It really is. So, without further ado, good. I think you can make this for dinner. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. When you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're out and about, make sure you get some of that disinfectant spray and gel. Rub your hands down. When you get home, wash them again. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another. This is a delicious dish. Give us a like, share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And when you do, the little notification bell will pop up. You hit that, and it'll let you know that we know that you know that the video that we made is coming up. Just trying to confuse you. I'm confusing myself, but that's okay. There's a little arrow in the top right-hand corner right below the video. You hit that, a drop-down box will come down. The complete recipe, instructions, what you need to do, how you do it, will be down there. A link to our Facebook page, and also to my daughter's website for her artwork. So until next time, my friends, stay hungry, come back when you are, and we'll have another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying we are out for right now.